What is midbrain activation, and how does it benefit you? I'm sure you'll agree that all of us have a brain. We have both a left and right brain, and together we call this the whole brain. This is something you probably know. You might also have heard that some people use more of their left brain, which means they tend to be logical, systematic, and analytical in their thinking, while others are right-brainers, tending to be creative, emotional, and intuitive. However, one fact you might not know is that we also have a midbrain. Your midbrain is thought to act as a bridge between your left and right brain. Having an active midbrain will widen the channel of communication between the left and right brain, so that the left and right brain can communicate more effectively and efficiently with each other, leading to a more balanced use of our whole brain. And what does this more balanced use lead to? Typically, better memory, focus, creativity, and motor skills, more self-confidence, greater emotion control, and supersensory perception. Your midbrain is typically dormant after the age of about 6, so how do we reactivate the midbrain? There are many ways to do so. However, we believe the most effective method is through a special set of sound waves. When you join our Supersensory Development Workshop, your dormant midbrain will be reactivated, and you can expect dramatic results in your life. Jason Lim, father of 10-year-old Kuan Rong, says that his son used to be very bad-tempered and was totally not interested in his studies. After the Supersensory Development Workshop, his son has completely changed and is like another person. He can now even do things that the other students cannot. Another amazing phenomenon that occurs once the midbrain is activated is the ability to sense the environment without using your eyes. The other senses, namely hearing, touch, smell, and taste, are heightened to the extent that, without using sight, you may still be able to read, a phenomenon called blindfold reading.